Hey guys, we have a situation here right now. As you see, my cursor here is just spinning and spinning, and if I click right on the mouse to refresh or left or anything, or I try to grab or click any icon on the desktop, nothing actually works. And I have no idea what's happening. I'm gonna try a few things, and here when I go to my resources, desktop window manager somehow was taken on my CPU. Now it went down by itself, was taken 4.8%, and it was taken 18% on my GPU, and it was taken over 4 gigs of RAM. Right now, somehow it went down by itself, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try with the first thing that you should try in this case. I hope you don't get this problem, but I'm gonna try to restart the Windows Explorer. And as you see, the screen went out, came back in, and everything looks okay. So let me try to refresh, because that's where it was glitching. And as you see, it glitched out again. It doesn't do refresh at all. And I cannot click anything on my desktop right now. And let me try another way. Instead of restarting it, I'm gonna end the Explorer, go run a new task, and explorer.exe, and let's see if that fixes it. And nope, absolutely not. And as we see, nothing is really going to fix it somehow. Desktop window manager going a little bit above now, 1.1%, 8.4%. It just doesn't make sense. So let's try a fix that I kind of learned lately myself too, but I'm gonna see if that fixes it. Let me take this out, and let's go to registry editor, reg edit, and I'm just gonna click OK, click yes to open it, bring it up here. I will put the paths to the registry editor, which you need to click. I wrote them, I copied and pasted right here. I'll put the paths on description so you can have it manually like that. First, you need to go to your HKey local machine. From here you go to system. From system go to control set 001. After you open that, go to services. When you drop down services, you have to go to NDU. NDU, if I can find it right here, it should be NDU. This is NDU. First thing we are gonna do right here is go to start, click modify, make this value to 4, and click OK. And then second one would be still here. Let me close this first one because I don't really need it now. We go to local machine as we are here, go to system as we are in system, and we go to current control set. This one here, drop it down. When you go to current control set, go to session manager, go to control first, then go to session manager. Session manager, PRS, session manager is right here. Session management, sorry. And then drop it down and go to memory management. Memory management. And when we go here, clear page file at shutdown, click modify, change that value from 0 to 1, and click OK. And after this one, let's give this computer a restart and see if it fixes it. And let's hope for the best. And by the way, guys, it's taken a million years to restart. And I have no idea what's going on with it, but it's taken a long time to restart. And it still hasn't restarted, as you see here. I'm waiting for it to restart and just nothing. Okay, the computer has just restarted. It took a sharp 48 minutes to restart. 48 minutes. Because I didn't want to do a hard shutdown, which you hold the button, and I don't suggest you do that, because sometimes it can go south very quick. And now I can refresh, actually, and it's been for quite a few hours that I was very frustrated, and now it seems to be working. Let me go to Task Manager and see what we're dealing with. Desktop Window Manager still devouring a lot of graphics usage. That's very beautiful, right? And why did Microsoft compatibility telemetry just went to 40-50% of the CPU? Isn't that beautiful? And here's the desktop window manager still going to town, but for the time being, I at least looks like I can operate around here. I am refreshing. I'm doing a few things that I don't know how that's gonna go, and but it was getting locked at weird moments and weird timing. So for me, it looks like it fixed it. It's not devouring the memory anymore, at least the RAM, because the RAM was going really bad. But now it's taking CPU and GPU, and for the time being right now, I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna dig for more solutions. If I find a better one, I will upload a video on it and let you guys know. But for now, that is the solution that at least it's letting me open folders and stuff on desktop and letting me use my computer again. And I'm gonna study it a little bit more, what is going on here with Microsoft, because that seems to be something to do with the software itself. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.